Guys, today we made the ultimate bombs.
I know.
These things are massive. This one is gonna blow up like really big. This one's gonna flash you really hard. Let's go show them. I'll show them mine first.
Do the flash first.
No. No. Oh. Oh. This is what I hate about this though.
How big this thing is. It doesn't have to be exact. Let's see this.
Ready, guys? Let's show them. Oh crap.
Let's see this. Oh, nothing happened.
Let's just explode them all. Run away!
Let's run away.
Make sure yours says,
this.
oh my.
This is.
That's gonna be.
This
scary,
This is the big explosion. This is the medium. So the medium's going first.
That was a small.
All right, so we're gonna go up there and explode it, so we can see the big explosion.
All right, so let's go up there.
Yes, okay. So we're up here, about to test the big boom. We're about to test. What do you want to name this?
The sticky boom.
The sticky boom. We're about to do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
That was actually sick.
Yo, wait, that was actually sick.
That was
yo, let's make some more.
Yeah.
We have more. He is still making some. Ryder's still making some, but I made the dynamite with an extra little bit explosion. Dynamite.
No one cares.
Shut up, Tyler.
You wanna fight?
Sure. You see this in my hand?
You see this in my hand?
It's a stick.
It doesn't matter. I can hit you. No. Give me it.
I should add a little bit extra dynamite. Because dynamite, you can't have too much dynamite.
Wait, I have an idea. What if we're like, oh, this is a plunger before adding dynamite. This is a plunger after. This is.
We're already recording.
What if I'm like, I just buy dynamite.
Go ahead,
Boom, got it. Please, my thing. What if you're like
a plunger? Alright, ready? This is the dynamite with an extra little bit dynamite.
Yeah. Hold on.
Out and away?
That's the difference. Look at the difference between them. Ready? Look at the difference.
Now that was cool.
This was that. This is a plunger. Right here, this is a plunger.
So, that has no explosion, right? But this... Oh. This... So done with it. Alright. We're having a little trouble. Throw it down! Okay.
This is called the Taco Bell employee.
Yippee! And we'll be making some more. Oh my god, we got some more today. I got the hot mozzarella sticks, and he got the...
Oh, whoa.
Sure, just ate that.
You know that recognize that voice. I feel like every animal company player would know. Scratch.
What?
All right.
Okay.
You're gonna make me some dinner, right?
What's that
Make me some
called?
dinner.
Here.
An MRE.
No, but what's...
I made the MR...
Alright. I got you here. Oh, I might have... Oh, I put it up too high. Here you go. Oh.
It tastes spicy.
You want to watch this?
It tastes a little bit spicy.
Oh.
I think it tastes a little bit too spicy.
Cooking with Jack. Oh, crap.
My frying pan!
Where did your frying pan just go?
But you know, I'm still standing.
Get
out!
Who's that? Alright, now we'll be making some more. So I will be called, mine will be called...
The human boom.
The human boom. No, not the human bone, the human boom. No, I'm making a. Nope, I'm making a sticky shield. Hold on, this one I'm gonna film. You can just disappear. Alright, I'm making it. Guys, this is called the boom shield. I got to bring the boom. The la boom.
This is also the broom sword. The
la
broom sword.
La boom.
Protect us.
Oh my. That was insane. Shut back up. Well, we should make more.
More.
A reason than the brand. I have the best idea. I'm gonna get off, and then this will be the last video. This will be the last part in the video. No! 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 Oh crap! Oh,
That was a big
that's
firework.
actually pretty cool. You know what I can do right now?
Wait, ready? Ready?
Guys, what is this called? What is this called? The flying, boom.
doom boom.
We both said the same thing. Yeah, that's actually cool. Well, that'll be it on today's VT. Oh!